In this video I will make a assembly drawing of an exploded assembly like this. And to do that I will go to the plus sign, create drawing, use my template, come over here to the select part or assembly window and select assemblies. The name of my assembly was example puzzle cube, so if I left click there, I grab it, and you can see that I'm going to put in something I don't want, a front view in the default position. So I'm going to want to have the exploded view, which was called explode 1, and if I do that then I get something like this, which is again not what I want. What I want is an isometric view of that, and there it is. So I'll left click here, and then I'll right click show shaded views, and let's insert the bomb table. So I'll put it right here, and now the callouts, click on an edge rather than in the middle of the part. Let's see, maybe here. There's a bit of a lag. Alright, let's see if that works. So dark blue is item 1, and then light green is item 2. Okay, good. So that's about got it. Now, in order to get this particular bill of materials on the puzzle cube, what I had to do was click on the bomb table, and I came over here, and there were some other columns by default. So if you right click on a column and remove the column, it'll go away, and then you can add columns here, and I added, I think it was name somewhere. You'll have to experiment with that in order to match the bill of materials, which I now have right here. And you'll notice that the name of it is drawing 2, and you can change that to something else. So if I double click, it'll put me into the drawing mode, and I can, put the name in here. So let's just put example puzzle cube assembly. So you can increase the size of that text box. Yeah, something like that. And that should do it.